What's up, guys? So, what are we doing today?
So today we're out here at Tahuya. We got the Jeep and everything. Looking pretty nice. Sorry, bad angle. But we're out here. We're going to go wheeling. We're going to try some new trails. Tyler was out here recently, and he said that he found some new trails that he wanted to show me.
Yeah, we came out. And we came out with it being stock. So we got the lift on. Everything has been done to it. So we'll see how it drives and how well it does on the trail.
Yeah. Once we hit about 45 when we're going on the road, it wobbles just a little bit, but it should be good. All right, we'll see you guys out there. All right, guys, so we're on our way down there now, and I hope there's some cool supercharged rock crawlers or something. That'd be cool, wouldn't it? The first time, I think the second time we were down here, there was rock crawlers supercharged. It was the first time? But yeah, it was the first time we were down here, and there were supercharged rock crawlers. Those things are so sick. I love those things so much. It's nice out here too, in Washington. Here, I'll show you guys. See, it's pretty nice out here. It's kind of, it looks a little weird, but it's pretty nice. Washington is very beautiful.
You don't need this.
All right, guys, now we're filling her up. You know we like to do that. Filling her up. Wheels looking pretty nice. I think so. Here's Chloe. Hi, Chloe. Yeah.
Found a bone.
Nice wheel. Yeah. Pretty nice. We're gonna have some fun on the trails, huh? Yep. Yeah. There's my girlfriend, Natalie. Monster break. This video is not sponsored by Monster. So how many pounds of boost does this thing have? No boost at all. Zero boost. For those who are wondering, my name is Daniel Damick. That was very unnecessary. It was pretty unnecessary. looks like it, yeah.
Yeah, look at the fucking back tire.
Yeah.
Yeah, try to see a way that we can get around. Someone stand out here.
I will. So this is what happened. Bro's whole thing came off the axle, and this one's coming off too. Kind of, sort of, slow, cambered out. Just should be. No, cambered in. It's cambered in. That's right. It's cambered in. Sorry for my hand in the way. Okay, you got it. You got it.
Alright guys, so today we're going to do a part 2 of the last wheeling trip we did. But we got more people with us.
Got 5 people.
5?
Yeah.
Really? Oh yeah, I guess we do. But yeah, we're doing a part 2. This one should be better than the last one because last time we went was just a test run to see if the Jeep would handle it, and it did. So yeah,
Getting rowdy.
Oh, she's a wheeler. She made it.
so we're letting the Jeep cool down. Got a little hot, so we parked at a campground. Now we're just waiting for it to cool down. I have to put a new fuse in the fuse box for the fan to work. Yeah. How were those few trails that we were on?
Oh, they were pretty fun, pretty rowdy. I liked it.
How are those trails, Jacob?
Pretty fun. It was fun.
Yeah, we're gonna let the Jeep cool down a little bit, and then we'll go back out. that's the end of today's video. If you guys liked it, drop a follow or subscribe, and see you guys in the next one.